So out of the 49 students on logistics staff course, 2 were discontinued on medical grounds. Today, I present to you 47 graduates ready to be passed out after successfully completing the course. For Basic Arms Management Course Intake 4, a total of 54 non-commissioned officers from various UPDF units reported for the course. Out of the 54, 1 is a female student. And out of the 54, 1 was discontinued due to disciplinary grounds. So today I present to you the 53 graduates that successfully completed the course. Course durations are logistics staff course and basic arms management courses were opened on 8th May 2025.
Dear graduates, I am confident that the skills and knowledge you have gained through this course will be a valuable asset to you and to your respective organizations. Guest of honor, sir, I request you to convey my appreciation to UPDF leadership for its continued support in fostering our professional growth through training. Therefore, I'm looking forward to continuing expanding our military cooperation between our two sister armed forces.
About health, there is an outbreak of the Congo Crimean fever, so we must be careful in the way we interact and the way we behave. The health services are trying much to do what they can, but we must be aware. So as you graduate and go home, must be careful. The precautions have been given. Let's stand by those and try to minimize the occurrence of these things, especially in an institution like this one, where we can't avoid being together.
The officers and the NCOs will know that training is part of the job description. An officer, an NCO, whatever else, whatever other role he will be playing, is first and foremost a trainer, a mentor. So I will urge you to spread what you have learned here to the others you will be working with. I'll stop here. I will congratulate you again. I thank the commandant and the staff for conducting the course successfully. I thank the DA Rwanda for being present at this occasion.
2, 1, 0.